Good morning, my dear students. My dear students, never you thoughts you are a weak boy, okay? Because when you are alone, so that time you feel when that's your minds and that's your heart. So take up a positive energy. Will you powerful voice? Sometimes after sometimes you becomes a powerful voice, okay beta. So what and I make a powerful voice because when you alone, that times you seen this your heart and this your mind, that times you feel take up positive energy in your heart and in your mind, so feel good feeling, that times you feel good feelings. So after sometimes one day you make a powerful voice, your heart and have your mind strongly positive energy, so make a good voice and you achieve any good jobs and any good ways, and you can do any work. Don't never feel you I do any work, never feel you I can't do it. You can any work, you will any work. When have you heard powerful energy and your mind powerful energy, fill fill up powerful positive energy. So build a powerful person one day. Okay. So my dear students, never feel you are a weak boy. Okay. Now say it here. Any questions? What saying these questions? Do you use Euclid's division algorithm to find the SCF of? You know SCF. What digit given in this your questions, and this heading saying to me applying process of division method, because now say here you are having already given Euclid's division method. Division method means now see previous classes you already solved on these methods, division methods, solve you do questions. So that's methods process here, applying here. Okay. Now say it here. Okay, beta. Never feel you weak boy. Always taste your heart and taste your mind. So you do fill up powerful energy and positive energy. Okay. Now one day you are powerful voice and powerful persons. Okay, my dear students. Okay, I will come here and you will come here. So solve these questions. What saying these questions? 867 and 225. So my dear students, 867 and 225. So we find SCF. So do you know what is SCF? SCF, in SCF already given both the digits, and it's find factorization method, applying processes of factorization method. So meet me in this factorization methods, both that is already given. Make two pairs. which are pairs defined its quotients. So its quotients pairs is your HCF. Okay, my dear students. So now I will do it, but applying two division process here. 867 867 I will check 867 what's digit divisible by 8. So now check it by 3. 3 2 are 6, remains 2 20, remains 2 2 and 6 26, 3 and 0 24, and 2 remains 2 7 23 9 26. So okay, this digit is divisible by 3. Now apply here 3. My divisor is 3. 3 2 are 6. 8 minus 6 remains 2. And next numbers note down here. 6 2 and 6 26, my dear students. So 26 divisible by 3, 3 8s are 24. 24 minus 6 minus 4 2, 2 and 2 cancels, and next digit note down here 27 divisible by 3, 9s are 27. Okay, my dear students, remains get me 0. It's denoted by R. Okay, my R is 0. Okay, remember you, 867 is your A, and 289 is your Q, and 3 is your B. Okay, all parts demonstrate by spelling B, A, Q and R. Remembering 4, right up here. R, my R is 0 and B is 3 and A is 867 and Belgium 289. Okay, because I am devotee of you, so I am forgetting, so write up here. Okay, now second step is your and. First step I write here and second step what saying me 227 255 255 this digit is your 255. Now see my dear students, last digit is your 5, and now check up here what's digit divisible by 8. Three are 24, remains 1 and 5 15, 3 5 15. Okay beta, it's digit divisible by 3. So now applying here 3 divisible by 8. 3 8s are 24. So B remains 5 minus 4 1 and 2 minus 2 cancels. Second digit note down here 3 5s are 15. Okay my dear students, get me 0. Okay, right now you can cross sign and you can take up 0 0. Okay my dear students, remains is my 0. Then demonstrate by spelling 255 is your A and 85 is your Q and T is your B, and remains already demonstrated by R. Okay, it's right up here. Okay, now write. For first, for second. My is 225, 255, 255, and value of B is 3, and value of R is 0, and value of Q is 85. Okay, my dear students, continue again. Continue again. Now this orbit based on formulas. What's formulas of Euclid's division methods? You know already. Formulas of Euclid's methods is equal to PQ plus R. Relation of BQ between multiplication relations. Okay, my dear students. Now again continue, my dear students, applying here formulas of Euclid's division methods. You know already Euclid's method division formulas. A equal BQ plus R. First step, value of A. First step, value of A 867 equal, and value when first remember, have put your mind what's relation of B and Q. You know relation of B or Q between multiplication relations. Okay, my dear student, remember always you. When not given any signs, both spelling, so I hence relation of multiplications, both spelling. Okay, my dear students, value of B 3, use of sign it here into value of Q 289 plus value of R. Value of R is your 0. Okay, my dear students, now when I do be here applying of process factorization method, 867 equal 3 into its digit. For its digits, applying for LCM method. By LCM 289 what's digit which are divisible? 289 289. Now check here. 3 9s are 27, 7 4s are 28, 11 2s are 22. Applying digit here, 19 ones are 19 remains 9, 19 ones are 19 remains 9. Now applying here this digit. 17 17 बन जा 17, ठीक है। 17 डिजिट अप्लाइंग हियर, check now this digit, check now this digit 17 17 1 ja 17 remains 11 199 17 7 ja 199 17 1 ja 17. Okay my dear students, 17 into 17. Okay my dear students, 0 is not read right up here. Okay, 0 is not need right up here. Factorization of 867 3 into 17 into 17. Okay my dear students, and next for second step, A equal BQ plus R, value of A 255 equal value of B 3 into value of Q 85, value of R 0. Sorry beta. Now you write here 0. 255, sorry beta, 255 3 into. Now applying here factorization method of by LCM. 85 3 2 is 6, remains 2 and sorry 5 1 is 5, remains 3, 5 35 is 35, 17 1 is 17. Okay beta, so will factorization of 85 5 into 17. Okay my dear students, okay. So here find factors of 867 is your 3 into 17 into 17, and next factors will find you 255 equal 3 into 5 into 17. Continue again my dear students. HCF of 867 and 255 equal. Now right here its factor. So 867 factor, 867 factors is your 3 into, now 867 factor is your 3 into 17 into 17, and 255 factor is your, what's factor of 255? 255 will factors is your 3 into 5 into 17. What's I do here? I do here make pairs 3 and 3, 3 and 3. It's pairs 3 and 3 is your pairs, and 17 and 17 pairs. It means जोड़ा जिसे बोलते हैं, जोड़ा, क्योंकि एचसीएफ में हम क्या करते हैं, जब तक एचसीएफ वही होता है जो पेयर्स होता है, ठीक। विदाउट पेयर्स का हमारा एचसीएफ नहीं होगा। बहुत इज ऑलरेडी गिवन इन दिस योर क्वेश्चंस व्हेन we do process of factorizations, so both digit already given in this questions, so each digit find with factorization method applying here, and second digit applying process of factorization method, and when last meet with pairs, so its pairs is your factors. In these factors, so is your SCF. Okay, my dear students. Now continue, my dear students. Write up equal signs, my dear students. Only pairs. 3 into 17. 3 7s are 21, carry 2 1 2, 3 1s are 3 2 5, 51. 51 is your SCF, my dear students. Okay, my dear students. So remember, you can find factorization factors, and so these questions solve you easily. Okay, my dear students. But my dear students, remember always, you are never feel you are a weak boy. Always you can struggle with that subject. Okay, my dear students, that subject is your maths, science, Hindi, English, any subject, but you never feel you are a weak boy. When you alone, so feel you, days your heart and days your mind, only take up positive energy. Okay, my dear students. So one day you becomes a strong voice. Okay, my dear students. Strong powers have in your heart and your mind, so easily build your strong voice. Okay, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students.